Hello friend, today we are going to download and install postgreSQL. For that we have to open our browser and after that search postgreSQL or SQL, and after that provide download and hit enter. And you can see the first link, just click on that. And after that you see the operating system: Linux, Mac OS, Windows, BSD, Solar. We are going to download this for our Windows 11. We are select Windows. Okay, if you want to download for Linux or Mac, you can select Linux or Mac. And after that we have to just scroll down. You can see we have these version of Postgres. First is 10, which is also applicable for 32-bit, and after that we don't have any stable version for 32-bit. If you are using Windows 32-bit, just go for this, and if you have 64-bit, just go for the latest one. Okay, now we have to click on download the installer. Okay, it will land to us in a download section. You can see we have Linux, 64-bit, 32-bit, MacBook, Mac OS. Okay, and after that we have Windows. You can clearly see we have supporting version of Postgres for 32-bit of Windows is 9.6.4. now I'm going to download the latest version of Postgres. Okay, just click here. It will start downloading. Okay, now after download, click on show in folder, and here you just double click on it. It will start installing. Okay, it takes some time. Now click on yes. Now click on next. If you want to change the directory, just click on here, and I just leave it as it is. Click on next, and after that we need PostgreSQL server, we need pg admin 4, and we need command line tool, but we don't need stack builder. I just unclick, and after that I click on next. Just click on next, and here you have to provide the password that it required in after you create your database. It required password, so that I'm just creating my password. You can create your own. Now click on next, and after that this is the port number in which Postgres is running. Okay, now click on next. This is local because we are installing Postgres locally, that's why by default local. Just click on next, and after that click on install. It will take some time. Have patience, don't worry, it will install in your machine successfully. Our PostgreSQL is now successfully installed. Now click on finish. Now after that just click on search and search for SQL cell and click on open. And after that you can see this is running on local server, and after that hit enter. You can see we are using database of Postgres, and after that click on enter. You can see the port number 5432, and after that click on enter. This is username, just click on enter, and after that provide the password that you created. I just use my password. You can provide your password. It is not visible, you just type and after that enter. Okay, now click on enter. It will not show you the password, and you can just type \L to see the list of database. You can see we have this type of database which is provided by the Postgres. Now you just \du, and after that click on enter. It will show you the list of you. Now after that I just close this, and now search pg admin and click on enter. It will open the application for postgreSQL, okay, or SQL. It will take some time, just have patience. Now here you provide the password, and after that click on OK. Now you can see this is the server. Click on here. Again provide the password, same password. Click on OK. Now here you can see we have Postgres, and this is the database that we saw in command line. Okay, now if you want to add, just click on database and here click on create database. You can provide the database name. For example, I provide demo, and after that you need to provide the comment, or you don't need to provide, just leave it. And here you provide the owner, which is Postgres. You can change. Okay, I just leave it as it is. Now click on save. It will create our new database demo. Okay, here you can see we have demo database. This is how you can create your database and delete also if you want to delete, and you can provide query. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.